Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So determine if this series will converge or if it will diverge. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, for any series to converge, the limit of this thing must be zero in order for it to converge. Even if it's an alternating one, the limit must still be zero. For example, if it's not zero, let's say it's five. Let's say it's five. Let's say the limit of this equals five. So what you've got is five, and then you've got because of this thing, it oscillates between positive and negative. So if let's just say if for example it's five, then you're going to have this scenario here where you're going to add five and then you're going to take away five, add five, take away five. It's not going to converge. In order for it to converge, the limit must be zero. So here, while this scenario is possible for it to converge, this scenario when the limit here is not zero, then it's never going to converge. This thing here will never converge. In order for it to converge, the limit must be zero in order for it to converge. So the first thing we should do is to check that the limit of this thing equals zero. So the first thing we should do is to check that the limit of this thing here as n heads towards infinity, we need to check that it equals zero. So the limit as n tends to infinity, this thing here will be infinity, and then you've got here, this thing here will be infinity. So you've got infinity over infinity, indeterminate form. So you can apply L'Hopital's rule. So applying L'Hopital's rule, differentiate this, that will then give you this. Differentiate the bottom, that will then give you this. Now tidy this up. Oops, bear with me. So now tidy this up. So you've got one thing multiplying with the reciprocal of this, that will then give you this, and then tidy it up, tidy this up, so the two will cancel out. This is a constant, take it out, that will then give you this. Remember root a b equals root a over root b, so you can rewrite this as this, and then as n heads towards infinity, this thing here will be 1, square root of 1 will be 1, so this whole block here will be 1, 1 times 3 will be 3, so the limit will be 3. So what that means is this thing here, as n heads towards infinity, this thing here, the limit of this thing here equals 3. So what that means is you've got this scenario here where it's 3, negative 3, and then it's just going to do this as n heads towards infinity. You're going to add 3, take away 3, add 3, take away 3. It's not going to converge. It's going to diverge. Okay, so overall this thing here will diverge.